In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil level sensor on this Audi S4. This is going to be located in the oil pan underneath the vehicle. Let's get into it. Now, under the hood, towards the back of the engine, we're going to grab this cover. I'm going to pull it straight up. There you can see the oil filter housing right there. Now, using a 24mm socket, take the cap off. And just pull that out. Filter's going to come with it. We'll let that drain out. And pull that aside. Now underneath, there may be a little plug covering this shield right here. You want to take that off. This one does not have it. And then you can access the drain plug. Use a Hex socket. This is a 10mm. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. And remove the drain plug. This is your drain plug, and you have a gasket on there. You want to take that off, replace that. Put the new seal on. Get that started. All the oil's drained out. Snug that down. And we'll torque this to 47 foot-pounds. That's good. Take a clean rag, wipe off any of the residual. That's good. Underneath the vehicle, there's a shield right here. We're going to remove that. Use a straight blade screwdriver and just go around all the fasteners. You want to loosen those up. Side. Should be some on that side as well. And on the side, there's a couple retainers. This vehicle only has one. Just twist that out with the straight blade screwdriver and do the same on the other side. And grab the shield and pull it down. The wiring harness right here, there's some wire ties holding that on. I'm just going to use some wire cutters, side cutters, just trim those. There's another one right here, just to get a little more slack. Now we can disconnect the connector. Just push on the tab, slide that off, move that out of the way. I'm going to take these nuts off, use a 10mm socket. That off, and take the other ones off. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath just in case any oil comes out. There we go. Now I'm just going to use a pick, just pry this down. There we go. And pull that down. And just grab the seal. It's stuck to the pan. Just peel that off. And just take a rag and just wipe down any debris. Clean that up a little bit. That's good. Take the new sensor. Just going to take a thin coat of oil and just lubricate the seal. That's good. Line that up. Get Get the nuts started. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque these nuts to 80 inch-pounds. That's good. Line the connector up and plug it in. Now I'll take some wire ties and snug the harness out of the way. And just trim the excess with the side cutters. And take the shield underneath. Get that lined up. Get that in position. And put the screws in place. All right, that's good. And on the sides, put those lock retainers in place. You might have another one, and then same on the other side. Now take the filter out of the cap. Just using a pick, I'm going to take the O-ring off. I have a new O-ring. Put that in the same location. All right, that looks good. That's all the way around. And just take a little fresh oil, engine oil, and lubricate the seal. That's good. Take the new filter, lock that in place. Put a little fresh oil on the end of it there. Now install the filter. Now just slowly tighten this down. You don't want the seal to roll out. And we'll torque this to 18 foot-pounds. That's good. Just wipe off any excess with a rag. And take the cover, line that up, push it down. And take the oil cap off. Use a funnel. Use the correct type of synthetic oil. We're using 5W30. And this engine requires 9.5 quarts of oil. And we just added 9 quarts, and this is the half quart we're going to add. So 9.5 quarts. And remove the funnel, take the cap, put the cap back on. Now we're going to start it up. Just let it run just for about 15 seconds and shut it down. Make sure the vehicle is on a level surface. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it off with a clean rag. Reinsert it. Pull it out again. You want to make sure it's in between those hash marks right there, which it is, right about there. And you can adjust accordingly. With the key in the ignition, before you turn it to the first position, you're going to push down on the little wrench button, hold that down, turn the key to the first position, then we'll let go, and then push the 00, and then let go, and you can turn the key off.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.